For installing 2 to 3 inch pipes at a depth of 18 inches over a 100-foot length, considering the right trencher is important. Mini trenchers are compact and maneuverable. They are designed for small-scale projects with narrow trench requirements, like installing 2 to 3 inch pipes. Pedestrian trenchers have a walk-behind design with a more powerful engine, which is better for deeper trenches of 18 inches and longer runs up to 100 feet. Some recommended brands to consider are Ditch Witch and Vermeer. The Ditch Witch RT12 is a mini trencher. Expect to pay around $5,000 per day for the rental. The Vermeer RTX 750 is a pedestrian trencher. Expect to pay around $10,000 per day for the rental. When selecting a trencher, several factors are important to consider. Firstly, consider soil conditions. Ensure the trencher is suitable for the type of soil you will encounter, whether it is hard clay or loose sand. Secondly, consider trench dimensions. Verify that the trencher can accommodate the pipe diameter, which is 2 to 3 inches, and the trench depth of 18 inches. Thirdly, consider the length of the trench. The machine's trenching capacity should be sufficient for the 100-foot length. Also, consider safety features. Look for trenchers with safety measures such as automatic blade guards and trench collapse protectors. Here are some additional tips. Call multiple rental companies to compare prices and availability. Consider renting a backhoe or excavator for excavating areas where the trencher cannot reach. Ensure you have the necessary safety gear and training before operating the trencher. Mark the location of underground utilities before digging. This will help to prevent damages and injuries. Soil conditions play a vital role in trencher selection. Hard clay requires a more robust trencher with greater digging power compared to loose sand. The trencher's digging chain and teeth must be appropriate for the soil type. Using the wrong trencher in hard clay can cause excessive wear and tear, reduce efficiency, and potentially damage the machine. Loose sand, on the other hand, may require a trencher with wider tracks or tires for better stability. Trench dimensions must align with the trencher's capabilities. The trencher's boom length and digging chain configuration determine the maximum trench depth it can achieve. Exceeding the trencher's depth capacity can lead to instability and potential damage. The trencher's cutting width should also match the required trench width for the pipes. A trench that is too narrow may damage the pipes during installation, while a trench that is too wide wastes time and resources. The length of the trench is another critical factor. Small trenchers may struggle with long runs, experiencing overheating or reduced performance. Larger trenchers are better suited for longer distances, but they may be less maneuverable in tight spaces. Consider the machine's fuel capacity and operating time to ensure it can complete the 100-foot trench without interruptions. Safety features are paramount when operating a trencher. Automatic blade guards protect the operator from accidental contact with the rotating digging chain. Trench collapse protectors prevent the trench walls from caving in, which can cause serious injuries or fatalities. Other safety features to look for include emergency shut-off switches, rollover protection systems, and clear operator instructions. Before renting a trencher, always inspect the machine for any signs of damage or wear. Check the digging chain teeth, hydraulic hoses, and engine components. Ensure that all safety features are in good working order. Ask the rental company for a demonstration of the trencher's operation and safety procedures. Obtain the necessary safety gear, including hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, and steel-toed boots. Review the trenching regulations and guidelines in the area. Contact the local utility companies to mark the location of underground utilities before digging. This is a critical step to prevent damage to gas lines, water pipes, and electrical cables. Use a cable locator to verify the location of underground utilities. Dig with caution near marked utilities. Use hand tools to expose utilities before using the trencher.